This unit I'm going to show you today is our overhead drum rotator, designed for working in zoned environments up to zone 1. It also has a radio telemetry system, so this means it's got this wireless load cell system that can transmit to the handset and also to a base station. So let's start off. I'll show you more about that later in the video. Let's move it into the drum. So we move it in so the band is in the middle section of the drum, and then we close the clamping arms. These are adjustable, so we can cater for slightly different sizes of drums. And then once you've locked this in, we put the locking pin in. This secures. Then we have a rim clamp which grabs hold of the top lip of the drum, and I'll show you a close-up of this a bit later in the video. So the drum's nice and secure. Now we're going to lift. So spin the unit round so you can see it. So this is your clamp, this is your rim clamp that holds it in the vertical. In here is the load cell system. So this is your digital load cell system. This is the electronic sender. And then what we'll do now is we use this gearbox handle to rotate the drum into the horizontal. Drum's full of water, so it weighs about 218 kilos. Let's slightly head down. What I'll do now is I'll bring in, show you a laptop computer with the radio telemetry on it. Okay, so we have our drum horizontal with our tap over our vessel. This is the handheld telemetry unit. And we have a tar function, so we press tar, puts it to 0. This unit, handheld, comes with the overhead rotator. Let's say this is zone 1, lives in a pocket on the unit. So you can slot it in the pocket or carry it with you. This is an extra, which is the radio telemetry receiver, and this goes in a safe area and can be linked to a laptop or a processing center. And you can have these in multiples, so we'll have multiple units with multiple receiver units. So what we'll do now is we'll open the tap and show you how accurate the system is. The system's accurate up to 0.1 of a kilo. You can see it counting down from 0 now. So that's our precise measurement. We put 42.4 kilo of water into our vessels, and we have exactly the same on the handheld telemetry unit. So the system is accurate, zone 1 with optional base station units. Just going to show you how to clamp the drum up. So the band is in the middle of the drum. close our doors, and we can adjust the tension by turning this in or out. So we clip this onto the bar, keep your hand, this hand, hold the pin well clear, and then move this across so it goes over. So that's a nice tension, just about right. If I slacken this off, move your hand out of the way, that's a bit slack. See, it's very, very slack. So we want a good tension. Drums come in different diameters, so it's important that we make sure this adjustment is right. That's nice. That was just a nice bong over center action. I can see the band has no light, there's no gaps around the back or the front. Then we use this pin, goes in there and over center. This is your lock-in pin. So now we kind of open it. The next thing is the rim clamp. This connects onto the top lip of the drum, and this supports the drum in the vertical. It's an added safety feature, stops anything slipping up and down the drum. This can be adjusted in vertical height, and if I show you here, moves in, hold it together, and then clamp the wing nut. And this is just gripping top lip of the drum, and you have this connected and this connected, we're ready to lift.